All right. Hey, I am so glad to see you here. That you're not locked up in indecision. You are taking steps forward. Fantastic. Now you just got to complete the process. Get in here and get set up. Do you realize that you're the answer to somebody's prayer right now? Somebody is praying for you, praying for what you can do for them and the solution you can provide. Right? You are the solution to somebody's problem. And the biggest problem at the moment is that they can't find you, or you're lost in this sea of confusion that's flooding them in the internet, right? This is about helping you cut through that. We are all about helping you take the responsibility and the action necessary to put the right messaging out in place, the right strategy, and the right process so that you can connect, capture, and convert the ideal people for you online and stop wasting time, right? Time is not your friend, right? Don't think about this. Don't wait till next week to see if it's going to go. Next week is where sales go to die. You need to take action now and jump on and let us help you with this. It's no joke, right? Remember, uncertainty for others does not have to mean uncertainty for you. We got you. We got your back. Let's go make a difference. Get going on here, click down, register, and we'll see you on the training. Can't wait.